here at WTI, and if there's one thing about our family, it's that we have so much company, and so having a portable air mattress is a lifesaver. This one from CHERIMOR is awesome. So we have it in the queen size, really nice generous size, and it's a great height. So if you have some that can't crawl on the floor like they used to, this is awesome because they can sit right down. It has a nice lift off the floor. We've had this inflated for 4 days now, and it has not lost any air, so that's awesome. It really holds its shape. It's extremely comfortable as well. It has what they call air coils, so that just makes it so that it forms to your body. It feels really, really comfy. The top has a nice velvety feel. We use a sheet on it, but it is really soft to the touch. Now this is self-inflating, which makes it so simple. You just take out the power cord, plug it in, turn this dial to inflate. Within a few minutes, it's fully inflated. The same goes for when you want to deflate. You just turn the dial to deflate and it will totally remove the air. So it's really effortless, which is awesome. Now it does also have a valve, so if you happen to be off-grid camping, you don't have a power source, you can inflate it manually as well. It comes in a great carrying case so that you can store it or carry it around wherever you want. Excellent for camping or just to have a spare bed in the house when you have extra people spending the night. I definitely recommend it. I really like the quality. It feels secure, it holds a lot of weight, and it's very comfortable, and that's my point of view.